Welcome to the MyOTC planning tutorial. To begin, use your internet browser to navigate to my.otc.edu. Click the Login button, enter your OTC username and password, and click the Sign In button. Select the three horizontal white bars on the top of the vertical gray bar to the left of the page to expand the navigation menu. Select the down-facing arrow to the right of Academics and again to the right of Student Planning to expand the navigation menu. Select View Plan and Register. When on the View Your Plan and Register for Classes page, you can use the tabs in the center window to view your schedule for a selected semester, overall timeline, advising notes, and view your petitions and waivers. Before we begin planning, please note that you can also use the degree audit to plan your courses and view your program requirements. For more information on how to navigate and plan using Degree Audit, please watch the MyOTC Degree Audit and Planning tutorial. Using the Search for Courses search bar on the top right of the central window, you can begin searching for your classes. Use the Filter Results menu on the left-hand side of the Find Classes page to narrow the results and find the section that works best for you. Please keep in mind when planning your program requirements, requisites, credit hours, location, meeting times, instructor reviews, and seats available in the section. Click the gray View Available Sections bar to view your filtered results. After locating the course section you'd like to plan, select Add Section. If you have selected a course section, you will be able to review the credit hours, instructor, seats available, and meeting information. Selecting Add Course to Plan will allow you to add a course to your plans without selecting a specific time, location, or instructor. After successfully planning your course, it will appear in the list on the left-hand side of the View Plan and Register page. If you have not selected a section, you may select View Other Sections to see what sections of a course are available and how they fit your schedule. Remember to use the Filter Sections option to limit your results. Sections that appear in red are closed. Sections that appear in yellow are available and can be viewed on your schedule by clicking them. Select the section that works best for you and click Add Section after confirming that the information presented in Section Details is accurate for your needs. You can remove a course from your list by selecting the X on the top right-hand corner of the courses card in the list and clicking Remove when prompted. For further information on planning and registration, please watch our MyOTC registration tutorial, MyOTC degree audit and planning tutorial, MyOTC waitlisting tutorial, and MyOTC drop or withdrawal tutorial. Thank you for watching the MyOTC planning tutorial.